Adding a staff pay rule to a service in Pet Sitter Plus is an efficient way to manage staff compensation accurately and effectively. This video shows the steps taken on desktop. However, the process is exactly the same on a mobile. To start, simply access the menu using the hamburger icon in the top right corner. To begin, log into your Pet Sitter Plus dashboard. Navigating Pet Sitter Plus starts with the main menu on the left of the screen. Once you're on the home screen, navigate to the Admin tab on the left-hand menu. This will automatically open your service list. You'll see that we've included some sample services that may match the services you offer in your business. Let's take a look at the staff pay rules for the sample 60-minute group walk. The group dog walk has a standard pay rate of 60% of the $30 client price. Alternatively, you can change it to a set rate such as $15 for staff pay if you prefer not to use a percentage. Adding staff pay rules allows you to automate different pay rates for senior and junior staff, or when a service incurs a surcharge, such as on weekends or public holidays. In this example service, you can see that a senior staff member on pay level 2 receives 70% for this service, while a manager or business owner who works in the field receives 0 staff pay, as they are typically compensated differently based on business profits. You can learn more about creating and setting different staff types in a later video. To ensure the staff pay rule triggers the surcharge on public holidays, you first need to add these holidays to Pet Sitter Plus. Let's take a look at how to do this. Navigate to the Admin tab, then under Services, you'll find Public Holidays. As public holidays vary around the world, only a few dates are preset for you. You will need to specify which additional days you'd like to trigger the staff pay rule. Select your public holiday dates by clicking on them. They will turn yellow when selected. Then click Update to save your changes. It's also a good idea to set a reminder in your diary to do this every year. You can use the little arrows to the left and right of the year in the top left corner to cycle through the years and set more dates. Now let's return to the staff pay rules for the sample 60-minute group walk and add a new staff pay rule. To begin, click Add a new staff pay rule at the top. Staff pay rules can be created using if this happens, then do this logic. You can establish staff pay rules based on the staff type, the client type, whether it's a public holiday, the time of day the service is scheduled, if it's a weekday or a weekend, or a specific day of the week. We'll cover more about staff types and client types, including how to set these up in upcoming videos. You can also read about them further by following the links in the description box. In this example, we want to pay more if it's a weekend. From the drop-down list underneath, if select it is a weekend. Next, in the box below, then staff pay is add your weekend pay rate of 80%. Finally, click Add at the top of the screen. Now, let's review our staff pay rules. In our list, we can clearly see how Pet Sitter Plus will automate the different staff pay rates. However, we also notice that a senior staff member should be paid 85% on a weekend, but they won't receive the uplifted rate. To address this, we need to add a multiple condition. Click Add New Staff Pay Rule. Choose the staff type is from the first drop-down, then select Pay Level 2 from the second drop-down. Next, click Add Another If, and choose It is a weekend. Then, set your pay rate for weekends to 85%. Finally, click Add at the top of the screen. You can add as many multiple condition rules as you like in order to ensure your staff pay is automatically calculated correctly. And that's it! You can now create staff pay rules in Pet Sitter Plus. To continue enhancing your experience, be sure to explore our Learning Zone for additional videos on next steps and other topics that might be useful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, check out our help articles linked in the description below or contact your coach or our support team. Curious about Pet Sitter Plus? If you're not already a client, you can try it free for 30 days. Sign up on our website today and see how we can simplify your business management and streamline your administration tasks. You can find a link to our free trial in the description box below. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can stay up to date with helpful tutorials and top tips to enhance your pet care business.